We wanted more space. We've got a young teenager who wanted his own gaming space. We thought, right, we could turn this little dining room into that and then get something bigger. First we thought, should we get like an extension, but we didn't want to be too encroaching. We wanted to have the garden and we wanted somewhere bright. So we decided we'd go down a conservatory instead. Andy, my husband, he started Googling. He come across conservatory land and they offered for him to come and have a look round, and he really liked that. I think if someone can show you where they're working, where they're building them, that straight away gives you confidence. We both felt we wanted it done properly. We wanted somebody who they recommended. So the installation went brilliant. They came and they did it in a weekend. It was up, which absolutely blew our minds, you know, to have something looking as fabulous as that over a weekend. No, I didn't know what look we wanted, and they've got loads of design, so they was then helping us, and we wanted it to not just look like a conservatory, we wanted it to look like an extra room. So I think by having that wall like that with just the windows at the top, it felt more like that for us. We absolutely love it. It just makes you happy when you walk out that door because again, you've got the garden in your room and you just think, why did we leave it so long? But if we did ever live somewhere else, then yes, definitely I would get in touch with conservatory land. Definitely, I don't think we'd go anywhere else.